LWPython evaluates an expression by pushing the expression into the expression stack and initializing the value stack. More formally, if the Python state at time t is as follows, and the statement at line I and tab j is equal to exp, then at time t plus 1, the Python state is as follows. Line is still I, tab is still j. We push the exp into the expression stack and initialize the value stack. Notice that the expression stack is initially empty. This indicates that LWPS is currently not evaluating an expression. In other words, LWPS is ready to start an evaluation. LWPS begins by pushing a new stack with one element, exp, into the expression stack. LWPS also initializes the value stack with one element, an empty stack. If the 2D stack notation is confusing, this may be a good time to review them in the data structures course. Next, LWPS starts evaluating the expression by inspecting the expression stack. If the top of the expression stack is a constant, then LWPS simply pops the element and pushes it into the top element of the value stack. Thus, at time t plus 2, the Python state is as follows. When expression evaluation is finished, the expression stack always has one element, an empty stack, and the value stack contains the computed value at the top. Next, LWPython simply pops the expression stack to reset it. Python also jumps to the next line. Thus, at t plus 3, the Python state is the following. Line is now I plus 1, tab is j, and the expression stack is empty. Let's look at an example. If the Python state at time 0 is line is 1, tab is 0, and expression stack is empty, and the statement at line 1, tab 0 is 8, then we can conclude that at time 0 plus 1, or 1, the Python state is as follows. Line is still 1, tab is 0, expression stack has the expression, and value stack is a stack with one empty stack. And at time 1 plus 1, or 2, the Python state is as follows. Line and tab are still the same, and 8 has been moved from the expression stack to the value stack. Finally, at time 2 plus 1, or 3, the Python state is as follows. Line is now 2, tab is still 0, and the expression stack is empty. Try running the simulator to see how LWPS evaluates the constant 8.